right, we are delighted to be able to end this evening, our final award, with our final induction to our TCT Hall of Fame for 2024. To announce our third inductee of the evening, please welcome back to the stage Duncan Wood from the TCT Group to say a few final words.
I promise I won't be up here for too long. Thank you, Dallas. I think it's important. The Hall of Fame is a validation of a career, and this inductee's career began in academia 3 decades ago. She established globally recognized metal additive manufacturing research laboratories at the University of California, Irvine. It was here that she pioneered methods for controlled electrostatically charged molten metal droplet deposition for precision manufacturing, which resulted in 15 US patents. She transitioned from academia to high-tech startups, and as the Chief Technology Officer of Morph 3D, she focused on producing and delivering flight-qualified, additively manufactured hardware to the aerospace industry. From Morph 3D, she was recruited to Boeing to lead additive manufacturing across all business units, and continues there today, leading a highly innovative team to drive advanced engineering solutions to complex problems for commercial airplanes. She has spoken at our events across the world, and wherever she takes a stage, the audiences are packed in, eager to access the insights and the intelligence she imparts. So it gives me great pleasure to welcome to the stage 2024 TCT Hall of Fame inductee, Melissa Orme.
Well, it is an incredible honor to be inducted into the TCT Hall of Fame, and this is a really momentous occasion for me. Being recognized among such notable and pioneering individuals is both inspiring and humbling. I stand among visionaries and trailblazers whose innovations have shaped the landscape of manufacturing, setting benchmarks of excellence and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. I recently succumbed to the dangerous temptation of Googling my name. I came upon a Reddit post that said, in quotes, "Chuck Hull walked so that Melissa Orme could run." I agree with that, and I thank the trailblazers and innovators such as Chuck that came before me, paving the way so that I could run. I'm deeply grateful for being recognized for my career that spans over 3 decades in additive manufacturing. It would not be possible were it not for the people who supported me and believed in me, such as my late PhD advisor, Phil Muntz, who watched as I transitioned my work from liquid droplets for space applications to what we now call additive manufacturing. And later, my academic colleagues at the University of California, Irvine, who provided me with lab space and academic freedom to be that odd academic outlier, working on something called net form manufacturing that they had yet to understand. As a professor at UCI, I developed a fundamental and applied research program that intersected materials science and mechanical engineering while I developed what I termed precision droplet manufacturing. I may be the first to have printed with electrostatically charged and deflected molten metal droplets, about 100 microns in diameter at rates of 100,000 drops per second, about 2 orders of magnitude faster than current inkjet printing technologies. The technology is not commercialized, but I still believe in its many advantages. From academia, I charted a different course to high-tech startups doing the unfathomable and relinquishing my tenure. I became the CTO of Morph 3D, where I helped establish our process from the ground up as I was the second employee. That experience gave me the understanding of non-technical challenges faced by additive manufacturing service providers, including workforce, upskilling, and the seemingly insurmountable budgetary challenges. That experience helps keep me empathetic when working with small businesses and gives me the sensitivities I might not otherwise possess. Finally, being recruited by Boeing to lead additive manufacturing, I'm creating trust in additive manufacturing with my stakeholders and customers. I thank my mentor, Greg Hislop, for believing in me, hiring me, and giving me the freedom to structure my organization in a way that enables accelerated adoption, ensures quality, enables positive business case and solves difficult engineering problems, all the while reducing cost and schedule. For the first time ever, we have a 2 order of magnitude return on investment in additive manufacturing. In the past 3 years, we have inserted thousands of unique metal parts into Boeing platforms. We have created a trustworthy qualification and certification framework that reassures our customers and stakeholders, as we have never had a failure or escape using our processes. But none of this would be possible without the team that I lead. My biggest responsibility at Boeing is to enable my team to translate the remarkable designs and inventions that provide positive impact to aviation and space into tangible realities, just like that O3B phased array heat exchanger. A recent customer once said this about my team, and I say it in quotes: "They are the kindest, most engaging geniuses we've ever met." And I have to agree, without this team, I wouldn't be able to run, taking advantage of the advancements set forth by the trailblazers who walked before me. And finally, I want to extend a huge thank you to my biggest supporter, my husband, Vasilis Marmarellis, who has been with me every step of my marathon, from a graduate student, through the ranks of my professorship, through the CTO, and now, and has never once wavered in his unyielding support and belief in me. And I thank the TCT organization and its members for this outstanding recognition. I am truly humbled and grateful.